Hello all, this is Universal Group of Institutions Bangalore. I'm Kushi Shetty here with the latest news. India urges ADB to prioritize poverty reduction alongside sustainable growth. India has advised ADB to maintain a focus on the poverty reduction while fostering sustainable growth, emphasizing its critical role. So, focus on poverty reduction. Intervention at the ADB meeting during the 57th annual meeting of ADB, India's temporary alternate governor, that is Vikas Sheel, made an intervention at the Board of Governors business session. So, India acknowledged ADB's critical role in facilitating faster economic development as well as poverty reduction measures, highlighting the bank's contribution to all these areas. So, what is ADB? ADB is going to be called as Asian Development Bank. So, it is a regional development bank that was founded in 1966 so that they can promote Asian as well as Pacific economic as well as a social development. This bank has its headquarters in Manila, that is present in Philippines. It promotes regional cooperation as well as integration among the member countries. The Asian Development Bank has also got a 68 member country as of 2023 with 49 from the Asia Pacific region and 19 from the outside the region. So, Asian Development Bank was established on December 19, 1966 as a multilateral development bank, fosters economic growth as well as cooperation in the Asia Pacific region. It provides loans, technical assistance, grants, equity investments as well as co-financing when it comes to development projects. Well, that's all for now. Thank you. Stay tuned for more news. We have a detailed description present on our website. Kindly click on the link that's present down below. Thank you.